2017 F150. I'm doing an oil pan. So before installing the new oil pan, make sure you remove all the glue or the silicone, whatever it is, all around. Hit it with the brake cleaner and make sure it's all clean. So here we are. We're doing the valve covers on this. We're doing the pump. Got to remove all your hoses. The wire harness has to come out. Everything. Check your cams. Check your timing. Make sure everything's good. Let's get to it. In order for you to remove this, you got to remove the clamp on this. Slide it back. Make sure it's past the neck. Come down here. Remove this hose. Already removed it. And then you got to remove this main hose. And get your screws all around here. Down there as well. And this will pop out. So here it is, 5 screws. 1 in the middle, all around the sides. This is the water pump itself. This is removing the water pump.